I'm here at Les Bouchons today, a French steakhouse and bistro along Ann Siang Rd, in search of the best steak in Singapore. And today we are here for their extra tender Angus beef fillet. Probably the most prized part of the cow, the filet mignon. The tenderloin is a muscle that is located towards the rear of the cow, but it's deeper. It is very seldom used by the cow, which makes it two things. One, it is very tender, and two, it is relatively cleaner in flavor. You can only harvest a single 2 to 3 kg piece per cow, which after trimming and prep will give you about 4 to 5 filet mignon steak. That explains the high price, but is it really more delicious than the other cuts? I guess we'll find out today. I want to have the best steak in Singapore, but I also want to show you guys a variety of steaks and what different steaks are like. So let's get it. You might notice that the background is a little bit familiar because this place is actually across the road from the place we visited in episode 2, Picanhas. Anyway, I'm early for my reservation, as usual. Since we're early, Les Bouchons has been here for very long already. I think it's 2002, and they are best known for steak frites, which is steak and fries. So with most of their main courses here today, with their steaks, you will get a salad, a mixed salad, and free flow French fries. Okay, let's try it out. It's a little bit early, but so quaint. Oh, they're open. Wait, are they open? Hello, a reservation for one.
For one?
Yeah.
Reservation?
Yeah.
Under the name?
Eldrick Deal.
Eric.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
You want to take off?
Yeah, I just take a few
Okay.
the videos. Sorry.
Yeah,
Okay, thank you.
You want still water or sparkling?
Is that tap? Can I get
Yeah,
tap? Yeah,
sure.
thank you. The inside is such a vibe, but I need daylight. It's a standard procedure by now to act like I'm looking at the menu. Whereas I have long decided extra tender Angus beef fillet. If not for the chef recommendation sign beside it and it being categorized under special of the house, I wouldn't want to order it because it's so sus. Why is it extra tender? Why? Why? A little bit sassy, right? Especially if you're gonna buy a filet mignon. Hello.
Ready your inside?
Yes, I want the extra tender Angus beef fillet.
How like to be cooked?
Medium rare, please.
Medium rare.
Yeah.
You want to have a side like cream spinach, black pepper sauce, blue cheese sauce go along with the steak?
No sides.
No
Yeah.
side.
Yeah.
Or appetizer, onion soup, escargot, our popular here.
No also. I just want the steak.
Oh,
yeah.
only steak,
Yeah.
medium rare.
Yeah.
Any others?
No.
Wine?
No also.
No.
No, so
Okay,
yeah.
sure.
Can I ask how heavy is the
200
beef?
grams.
This is 200 gram. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. If not for the daylight, I would definitely want to sit inside. The vibes are immaculate, and they have a second level too. But the acoustics inside will be quite disruptive, and obviously you will disturb other diners. So not that great.
For the house condiments, for your main flavor.
Okay, thank
so
you.
This is whole grain mustard,
Yeah.
Dijon mustard,
Yeah.
béarnaise, and mayonnaise.
Okay,
Both contain raw egg ingredients.
okay.
Alright.
Thank
Right.
you. This feels like chapata, I think. A little moist inside, which I don't mind. I shan't pretend to know enough about chapata bread, if it even is. Salado. It's all very crisp. Lemon, walnut, raw onion, but mostly the crisp lettuce. Don't want to fill myself up too much. There is still the steak and free flow fries.
Medium rare beef fillet.
Yes.
Alright.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Yep.
Bon appetit.
Thank you. Time to eat. First bite. Hi, it's telepathic Eldrick again. There's only one reason that I might appear, and that is the steak is so mediocre. All I could think of was, am I spoiled? We are only 4 episodes into the series, but maybe the previous steakhouses have spoiled my expectations. I sat over my unfinished filet mignon, begging my brain to give me something good to say about the steak. Time passed, the sky darkened, and the street lights turned on. Still, silence. And then I had an idea. Maybe it's just the filet mignon. Maybe it's just the lack of fat in the cut. Maybe I'm just not a filet mignon enjoyer. Maybe the other chef's recommendation, the black Angus ribeye with vigneron butter, is where the money is at. Because if there is one thing I know, it is that the money is not with me. But even without the money, I was determined not to leave here without something good to say about the steaks.
Medium rare, please. Medium rare.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Yeah. Well, it's me again. At this point, I'm frustrated. I doubled down and lost. The ribeye steak was more of the same, and why is there so much sinew? Get us out, Eldrick. Get us out before our intrusive thoughts win.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Whoa. When I make these videos, right, I'm biased. I want to like the food. I honestly, I don't like to make videos where I don't enjoy the food, and I don't like to pay money for food that I don't enjoy. We talk about the hits, The peripherals, the fries, the salad, the bread, the sauces, right, have good value. I'll give it that. And free flow fries, like, it's good. And the service is good. Okay, as in okay-ish good. I think everybody is like very courteous and they do check in on you. But the misses, a key component of this series is the things that steakhouses do to their steaks that can impress, that you cannot do at home. And there is zero. There's nothing to go on. The ribeye had a vigneron butter, which is a grape. You're supposed to say like a person who cultivates grapes, their kind of butter, so you would guess there's some sort of red wine inside. Even so, it's not very impressive. A compound butter is not very impressive. The meat quality, I don't believe it's Angus. If the ribeye is black Angus, then I'm J-Tro. The reason I say this is because I've cooked a lot of cheap steaks. I'm not a rich person. In my home cook training arc, I have bought hundreds of cheap steaks from NTUC, like the lousiest quality, the one in the styrofoam box, and it tastes exactly like it. It almost reminds me of when I was young. I initially suspected that filet mignon it might be supposed to be like this, because you know filet mignons have a clean taste, but the ribeye is equally characterless. It just tastes like cheap beef, except you're paying 64 Sing dollars, which is 55 USD. Not the worst deal. Like I said, the value is still not bad. For 60 odd Sing dollars, you get a steak, you get all the side stuff. The restaurant is very nice. It's in the heart of town, which is primarily the reason I think like they have survived for so long, because there is still value no matter how plain the steak is. So the quality isn't good. The cook on it, the grill marks, I hate grill marks. I hate it. Or rather, meaningless grill marks. Grill marks are supposed for, you know, you cook it with embers, whether it's wood, coal, charcoal, or whatever have you. You have the fumes coming up, and then the steak will absorb it. But there is nothing here. The grill marks are purely aesthetic, which means you are sacrificing that crust. Because if you look at it mathematically, 50% of the crust is grey. Grey! If you want to make that trade, you need to get something huge in return, which normally is that irreplaceable, like smoky sand we saw from Bistecca. So verdict, 1 steak I'll walk for the steak, 2 steaks I'll take a bus for the steak, and 3 steaks I'll go anywhere in Singapore for the steaks. And Les Bouchons is 0 steak. I don't want to knock on it too much, but according to my criteria, my rubric of how much a steakhouse can improve how much how good can a steak taste. If you have other requirements like a normal person, like you need a nice place to hang out where you want to eat steak but it's not too expensive, the location is convenient, then Les Bouchons does very well. But in terms of what I want to see, what the improvisations, the scale, the crust, the quality of meat, the food itself, Les Bouchons has gave me nothing. I hate this. I hate having to give a negative review. I hate it. I hate it. I hate spending so much money on a negative experience also. But I did my due diligence. I cross-referred all the reviews from Google, from different sites, and a lot of people recommend this. Maybe because a lot of people are normal. A lot of people just want a nice place to hang out and not spend too much money and eat steak. But according to the rubric of this series, it's not such. So if you want to see more Best Steak in Singapore series, you can click over there. If not, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.